Hello friends, welcome to a new session. We will solve today a method of solving linear equations in two variables, that is by graphical method. Suppose two equations are given, we have to prepare a table x coordinate, y coordinate and a point. So let me solve the equation 1, that is 2x plus y is equal to 6. So let me give the x coordinate. X is equal to 0. So here we have to give the x values and we have to find out the y values. So I'll give 0 continuously, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. In the order I'll give x values. And here also 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. So we will solve the equation, first equation, that is x is equal to 0. That is 2 into 0 plus y, that is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. So when x value is 0, so y value we have got 6. So the point is 0, 6. Now let me give the x value is 1. So 2 into 1 plus y, that is equal to 6. That is 2 plus y, that is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 2. So y is equal to 4. When x is 1, so the y value is 4. So the point is 1, 4. Now we'll give x value is minus 1. So 2 of minus 1 plus y is equal to 6. Now this is minus 2 plus y is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6 plus 2. Now y is equal to 8. So when x is minus 1, so y is 8. So the point is minus 1, 8. Now we'll give the x value is 2. Now 2 of 2 plus y is equal to 6. 2 into 2 is 4 plus y is equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6 minus 4. So y becomes 6 minus 4 is 2. So when x is 2, y also 2. So the point is 2, 2. Now I'll give x is equal to minus 2. That is 2 of minus 2 plus y is equal to 6. So this is minus 4 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 plus 4. So y becomes 10. So when x is minus 2, then y is 10. So the point becomes minus 2, 10. If we find 2 to 3 points, that is enough. Exactly in the same way, we have to solve the second equation. So make a table for the x-axis, y-axis and the point x and y. So here we have a equation 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. So continuously in the same way I will give, that is x is equal to 0, 4 into 0 minus 2y is equal to 4, that is 0 minus 2y is equal to 4, minus 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 by minus 2, that is minus 2. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. The point is 0, minus 2. And let me give x is equal to 1. That is 4 into 1 minus 2y is equal to 4. That is minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 4. Minus 2y is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 0. When x is 1, so y is 0. So point is 1, 0. Now I'll give x is equal to minus 1. That is 4 of minus 1 minus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2y is equal to 4 4 into minus 1 minus 4. If we take this side, that is plus 4. Minus 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 by minus 2, that is minus 4. So when x is minus 1, so then y is minus 4, that is minus 1 comma minus 4. Now I'll give x is equal to 2, that is 4 into 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. 8 minus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 8. So minus 2y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. When x is 2, y is also 2. The point is 2 comma 2. Now the last point, x is equal to minus 2, that is 4 of minus 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8, that is minus 8 minus 2y is equal to 4. So minus 2y is equal to 4 plus 8. So minus 2y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 by minus 2. So y is equal to minus 6. So when x is minus 2, so y is minus 6. That point is minus 2 comma minus 6. So friends, the table is ready to plot the graph. Here already I have drawn x-axis and y-axis, and here after drawing this x and y-axis, so we have to write the scale. So here I have considered, so each digit, that is 1 centimeter, I considered, that is 1 unit. So compulsory you have to write the scale before going to plot the graph. So here x-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Even y-axis also I considered. So 1 centimeter is a 1 unit. Now we have the points. So now we will mark on the graph. Here I am using pen. So you have to use pencil to draw the graph. So here the first point we have for the first equation. So 0 comma 6. Here we have 0 on the x-axis and we'll see 6 on the y-axis. That is 0 comma 6. The next point is 1 comma 4. So now 1 is on x-axis and 4 is on y-axis. This is 1 comma 4. Now minus 1 comma 8. So minus 1 is here on the x-axis and y-axis is plus 8, means we have to go up. Minus 1 comma 8. Here minus 1 comma 8. The next point is 2 comma 2. So here on the x-axis is 2 and y-axis also mark 2, that is 2 comma 2. So next point is minus 2 comma 10. So minus 2 is here and 10 is here. So that is minus 2 comma 10. So we have marked all the 5 points here. Now after marking the points, now we will join the points. So we have got the required equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 6. So this equation is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now in the same way we have to mark the point, that is for second equation. So we have first point is 0 comma minus 2. So here we have 0 and on x-axis is 0 and minus 2 is here, that is 0 comma minus 2. Now the next point is 1 comma 0. So here we have 1 on the x-axis and 0 means you have to mark there itself, that is 1 comma 0. So next point we have minus 1 comma that is minus 1 comma minus 4. Here we have minus 1 to minus 4. So minus 1 here, minus 4. This is minus 1 comma minus 4. So the next point is 2 comma 2. So here 2 is here, two to 2. So here only you are getting 2 to 2. So this is for this also 2 comma 2 here only. So the next point is minus 2 comma minus 6, that is minus 2 is here and minus 6 is on y-axis we have to mark. This is minus 2 comma minus 6. So we have marked all the points here also, and we will join the points. So we have got a straight line. So after joining, so we got the required equation, that is 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. So okay friends, once you have drawn both the lines, you have to find out where both the lines intersect. So here both the lines are intersected at this point. So mark this point like this by using scale. So here the two lines are intersect each other at only one point, that is 2 comma 2. So therefore here you have to write x is also 2, that is x-axis, on the x-axis also 2 and y-axis also, that is y is also 2. Okay friends, that's all about today. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section and please subscribe my channel.